Welcome to the video lecture of Principle of Communication. My name is Shavi Gupta, Assistant Professor, Arya College of Engineering and IT. We are discussing unit number 4. Principle of Communication is covered in Faculty of Engineering, branch IT. We are discussing amplitude shift gain, abbreviated as ASK. Further, we will be covering the introduction part, modulation, demodulation, advantage, disadvantage and application of amplitude shift gain. Amplitude shift gain is a type of digital modulation technique. Further, digital modulation technique can be classified as coherent and non-coherent technique, depending on whether the receiver is equipped with a phase memory circuit or not. In the case of digital modulation technique, the digital data, that is the binary data, changes the property of the carrier signal. What will be the property? Property will be namely amplitude, frequency and phase. Coming to the digital modulation. In digital modulation, an analog carrier signal is modulated by a discrete signal. For example, st equal to a sine 2 pi into f into t plus pi. A for ASK, f for FSK and phi for PSK. Changing amplitude, frequency or phase in proportional to the binary data produce digital modulated signal called amplitude shift gain, frequency shift gain and phase shift gain. Amplitude shift gain form of modulation that represent digital data as variation in the amplitude of a carrier. The amplitude of an analog carrier signal vary in accordance with the bit stream, means modulating signal, keeping frequency and phase constant. In the case of ASK, the frequency and phase are constant and amplitude is varying. The level of amplitude can be used to represent binary logic 0 and 1. It means data will not be transmitted in case of logic 0 and will be transmitted in case of 1. As first waveform show a binary data, it can also be termed as bit stream or message signal. And the second waveform is a carrier signal. As per nature, it is a sinusoidal waveform. And last one is the result, that is modulated signal, means ASK signal. ASK can be clearly defined as carrier signal transmitted during logic 1 and a carrier signal not transmitted during logic 0. Moving forward to discuss binary amplitude shift gain, or it can be also named as on-off gain. ASK or on-off gain is the simplest digital modulation technique. In this method, there is only one unit energy carrier and it is switched on or off depending upon the mass. Although we can have several levels of signals, elements, each with different amplitude, ASK is normally implemented using only two levels. This is referred to as binary amplitude shift gain. We can think of a carrier signal as on or off switch. In the modulated signal, logic 0 is represented by the absence of carrier, thus giving off-on gain operation and hence the name given on-off gain. First waveform show the unipolar bit sequence. Second waveform show the carrier sinusoidal waveform. And third, the resulting output will be ASK and on-off shifting waveform. Now, discuss the ASK generation. That is how to produce ASK. ASK signal may be generated by simply apply the incoming binary data and the sinusoidal carrier to the two input of a product modulator. The output of a product modulator is fed to the band limiting filter and the resulting output will be the ASK output. ASK demodulation and detection. The demodulator determines the amplitude of the received signal and maps it back to the symbol it represents, thus recovering the original data. Means the incoming ASK signal is applied to one input of the product modulator. The other input of the product modulator is supplied with the sinusoidal carrier which is generated with the help of the local oscillator. The output of the product modulator means ASK output signal goes to the receiver and rectifier, and the output of the rectifier goes to the filter, and the resulting output will be demodulated ASK signal. Advantage of ASK. ASK has high efficiency. Noise interference of ASK is low. Transmitter and receiver are simple to design, and as compared to FSK, it required less bandwidth. And the disadvantage of ASK signal, it required high bandwidth. ASK has high power consumption. Further, it cannot be used for wireless communication. And last one is can be easily corrupted by noise. And last one is application of ASK. Satellite link use ASK. Next one is old modems which were used in telephone used ASK, and optical fiber use ASK to transmit